from Wilmington, Delaware to Richmond, Virginia to Washington, D.C. Our number one story in the countdown, staking out the possible vice presidential nominee. For Senator Obama, that is. We tried staking out Senator McCain, too. It's a little difficult considering no one is sure which of his homes he's actually in, but we've got a significant percentage of them covered tonight. We did manage to spot Senator Obama leaving his one home today, going to the Park Hyatt Hotel in Chicago to practice his convention speech. And we had cameras and reporters waiting outside every conceivable place we could think of, waiting for a glimpse of his possible new number two. There are rumors some news organizations simply threw darts at a map and put cameras where they landed. And the results were wildly successful. We got images of all the florists, landscapers, and non-vice presidential candidates you could want in 66 lifetimes.
Barack Obama is teasing everyone.
It could be any of the people seen as finalists on his so-called short list.
That's what Barack Obama wants. He wants that element of surprise.
Speculation centers on three men: Delaware Senator Joe Biden, Indiana Senator Evan Bayh, and there is Virginia Governor Tim Kaine.
Who is behind door number one?
Drama.
Jim, your way. Jim, coming to you.
Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Senator Obama today. No comment. Last night. All coming from the campaign from this point.
Not mine to report. Are you hopeful?
Do you know something?
Okay, guys, everybody enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did the senator share anything with the family?
We did. Sorry, no news.
Lawn helping? That's the lawn helping?
Yep. Chris? Hi, Corporal Cyrus McCowney, please. How are you? Good. I'm standing out here in front of the Biden's house with the pizza delivery person. I think the pizza's for you, is it not? That was a prank, huh?
What's on the pie?
Honestly, I couldn't tell you.
I think it's all pointing to Joe Biden.
I think Biden makes sense, but I still am betting on Biden.
That's for him to decide.
What advice would you give him?
I am not in that arena.
Bader expected to headline a rally tomorrow at the Illinois Capitol.
Springfield, Illinois.
Springfield, Illinois. There was
Springfield.
and in Springfield,
Old state capitol in Springfield, Illinois.
Hey, Flora,